Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the 4 steps to make passive income online. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video and the 4 steps to make passive income online. So first of all, what you need to understand is the cold hard truth is, in order to make passive income, you need to be active. Passive income absolutely exists. There are a ton of people making passive income all over the world. No matter where you are, you can absolutely make passive income online as long as you have an internet connection. However, you will need to be active first, because if you're not active, it's just a pipe dream and nothing like this exists. Nothing exists where you do nothing and get everything from it. It doesn't exist. Like, it's just the way it is. I'm sorry to bring that to you, but that's the way it is. Unless you play the lottery, but even then you will have to pay for your tickets and probably not win anyways. So first of all, that is very important, but then you need to focus on marketing. So you need to know your audience, identify who your audience is going to be. I don't care if it's people that like to repair their cars, drawing, they like cooking, it doesn't really matter, but you need an audience and you need to identify them. Obviously, when you first start, you don't have an audience, and that's okay because you will need to create it. So create an audience is very simple in a way, but it's quite hard as well, because it's very simple, because all you have to do is create videos, or all you have to do is create a blog and post blogs and post blog posts, or maybe it's Instagram and all you have to do is post on Instagram. And that sounds very simple, and by the way, it is. Like, you just need to do that. However, it's also hard because you will need to stay very consistent with whatever you're doing. So if you're doing blog posts, you need to post blog posts every day. If you're doing YouTube, you need to post YouTube videos every day, or maybe it's 3 times a week, at least 3 times a week. And all these things are very simple, but also very hard. So that's how you build an audience. There's not much more to it. I could go more into depth about how to grow, but basically what you have to do is be very consistent, because 1, your audience will not forget about you, and 2, YouTube will like it very much that you post every day, and that's the same with blogging and Google. So that is one of the steps that's very important, is to focus on marketing, know your audience, and post some content that your audience will actually like. Teach them something, help them out. It doesn't really matter what you do, but you have to help your audience out. So in order to do that, you need to know your audience. The next thing is you're going to create a sales funnel, and that is, if you don't know what a sales funnel is just funneling people, just like it suggests, and take them to a sales page, or make a sale. That's the point of it. So the first part of your sales funnel is going to be whatever your platform is. So YouTube, blogging, Instagram, it doesn't matter. So that's the first part of it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to give them some value so that they can enter your email list. So give something away for free, whether that's an ebook or something else. You just need to give that to them. Then you have their email, and what you're going to do is you're going to suggest a product that will help them in your emails, and that is how you're going to sell. So there are softwares out there that do exactly that. I'm not going to go into detail about this, but this is what you're going to have to do. So once you have a sales funnel, you have to follow up, just like I said. Send them some emails, tell them like that product will help them and trying to sell them that. And obviously you have something to sell. If you don't have anything to sell, that is not going to work because you don't have anything to sell. So if you don't have anything to sell, I highly suggest you go to either Amazon, because that's a great place for physical products, even though the margins aren't very big for you. Or you can go to ClickBank, and that's more software things and courses and things like that. So whatever you decide to go, these places are very good, so that's a great place. You can also get affiliate links from a ton of different affiliate places, but make sure that it's a proper link that will actually help your audience. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I put a video out. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.